Hello my dear students, welcome to your Geography's online class. Today in this session, we will continue with the topographical maps and its reading. So today, the topic to be discussed will be the latitudinal and longitudinal lines and the northings and eastings. In this topographical map, you will get to see various lines being drawn. There are horizontal lines and there are vertical lines. And the lines are also of two different colors. One is black, the others are red. You will find in this topographical map the black lines are very less, while red lines are plenty. So let's try to understand the importance of these lines and how they help us in locating different locations within the map. So let's start here. So here we see this lines that has been drawn. The lines which runs horizontal and is numbered 24 degree 30 minutes north. This is a line of latitude. It is black in color as shown in the map. And the line that runs vertical, which is numbered from 72 degree 30 minute east and another vertical line as 72 degree 45 minute east. These two lines are longitude. So in your map, you will find the number 24 degree 30 minutes north as your latitudinal line, and as it goes higher, that is towards the north further, you reach to the extent with 24 degree 45 minutes north. This is your latitudinal extent of the entire topographical map. And same way, you have the vertical lines as 72 degree 30 minute east, and on the other side you have 72 degree 45 minute east. So this is your longitudinal extent of map. So here is your latitudinal line at 24 degree 30 minutes east north, and then here your black line is 24 degree 45 minutes north. Likewise, your longitudinal line, here it is 72 degree 30 minute east, and to the extreme corner of the map it reaches to 72 degree 45 minute east. So these are latitudinal and longitudinal lines. In between these maps, or in between these lines, that is within this map, you will see some more black lines. These four are all black in color. These four lines are black in color. Now this map from 24 degree 30 minutes north till 24 degree 45 minutes north, in between these two horizontal lines there are two more black lines. Here it is numbered as only 35 and then minute. This is north. Here it is 40 and minute north. So what it indicates is that the interval between these two latitudinal lines is of only 5 minutes. So here it's 24 degree 30 minutes north. This black line will be 24 degree 35 minutes north. This here will be 24 degree 40 minutes north, and then finally 24 degree 45 minutes north. Same way, likewise you will also find the longitudinal line. In fact, from 30 degree here you will find two more lines. This is numbered as 35 minute east, and this is numbered as 40 minute east. So this black lines that runs and is numbered as 35 and 40 east will represent your longitude. So here it is 72 degree 35 minute east, and here 72 degree 40 minute east, and then we move on to the last line, that is 72 degree 45 minute east. So this is how we see the latitudinal and longitudinal lines. So now we see this lines that have been drawn here is forming a network. They are crisscrossing each other. They're crisscrossing each other. So the networks of such lines, horizontal and horizontal and vertical lines that crisscross each other forms the grid system. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 grids. So this is where we understand to locate a place with the help of latitudinal and longitudinal lines. Now, to be very specific in understanding the place within this grid, that is grid number 7 or consider grid number 4 or 1, 2, 3, 5, wherever. These grids or these boxes of latitudes and longitudes are further subdivided with only the grid number been given. So you will see red lines been drawn horizontally as well as vertically. So these lines are red in color. Earlier the latitudinal and longitudinal lines were black in color, but these lines, the smaller lines, small boxes that forms, they are red in color. To them, we just simply call it grid lines. Their importance is to locate a place in specific, to give a specific location of a place. So based on these red lines, here I show you a vertical line and then a horizontal line. They cross each other. So these vertical lines, they are known as eastings. They are known as eastings. That means they represent the eastern part. As these vertical lines, they move towards the east, so they represent eastings here. And these horizontal line, they are known as northings. So two lines that you need to refer, the horizontal lines are known as northings, while the vertical lines are known as eastings. Now, with the help of these eastings and northing lines, we try to locate places or any man-made or natural feature in this topographical map. So let us now understand how do we locate such man-made or natural features. So now let us try to understand those grid lines or eastings and northings, the network of those lines with the help of this topo sheet. You can see red lines here in this topo sheet. There are vertical lines and there are horizontal lines and there are vertical lines. These horizontal lines that you see are known as northings once again, and these vertical lines are known as eastings. You can see after every second line, it is been numbered. So from here, if you see this portion of the map, this line is numbered 16, then you have 18 and then 20, then 22, then likewise 24 and 26. So this 16 that you see here, the number, this 16 as a number is the number for this grid line. This vertical line that you see is numbered as 16. The line next to it, this line which is not numbered here anything, there is no number here. So this is here 17 and then you have 18. So likewise we move on until the grid is over. So until here you come, this becomes 26, this is 25. In a similar manner, you will find the horizontal lines also numbered. Every second line is numbered. So here you find 10. Then the second line 1 and 2, the second line is number 12, similarly 14 and then 16 until we finish up with the topo sheet. So the line between this 10 and 12, you see here this line, this will be number 11. So every grid line is numbered in your topographical maps. Now these numbers are of very importance because they help us to locate places by numbering the grid. So let us now learn how to number the grid or how to locate places with the help of these grid numbers. Now as we have understood numbering the grids or the grid system, the pattern, let us try to understand that how to locate places with this grid numbers. So first of it, we call it 4-figure grid reference. To locate a place, we will try to understand through 4-figure grid reference. As the name itself, 4-figure means you need to have 4-digit numbers. So 4-figure grid reference. Let's see. First, we come back again here. You see, this grid is square in shape. And like I said, each grid is numbered. So let me take one of the grid from here. Here. This is a grid. And like we discussed that every grid has its number. So let's consider this grid to be 01 and this grid to be 02. Likewise, this as 04 and this as 05. This is just an example, so let's consider any number. So now we have a grid whose numbers, the lines that are drawn here, whose numbers are 1 and 2, and the horizontal line as 4 and 5. So while numbering or while locating a place, say for example, this place is located here. So, with the help of 4-figure grid reference, say this is place A, and the question asked to us is locate place A in your topographical map with the help of 4-figure grid reference. Once again, you get a question that locate place A with the help of 4-figure grid reference. So now, how will we locate the place with the help of grid reference? 4-figure grid, let's see here. 01 is the beginning of this grid and 02, the line, is end of this grid. And once we write 02, it marks the beginning of another grid. Likewise, 04 is the beginning of this grid and 05 is the end of this grid. So we always have to consider the number from where the grid begins. That means to show this grid box or grid in a map, we have to number the beginning number and the ending, the two beginning numbers. So first we write the eastings 01 and then our northings, that is 04, so we write it 04. So now we get 4-digit 0, 1, 0, 4. So this 0, 1, 0, 4 now forms the 4-figure grid reference in locating a place. 01 is eastings and 04 is northings. This is how we represent, or this is how we locate a place in specific with the help of 4-figure grid reference. So this is for the class today. Thank you very much class, and you all have a good time.